Hello everyone, Daisy here with something a little bit different for Paper House. Today I am working in my Stargazer planner. This is a planner that it's undated, it's 18 months long, it's spiral bound, and it's from Paper House, and it is absolutely fabulous. I love the design that comes on the planner itself. I've been using this now for a couple of months, and so this month because we are using washi tape as kind of our inspiration, I decided that I'm going to change things up a little bit and create a different design in my planner spread. So I don't know where I got this inspiration from, but I decided, hey, I'm going to use some watercolors. And I was a little nervous that it might not turn out very well, but being this is the last week in the month, I figured it won't make any difference if the watercolor leaks through or anything. So I'm just using some cheap Michaels watercolors, and I'm kind of doodling some flowers, and I'm doing some color washing and everything. And I have to say, this paper took the watercolor amazingly. I had zero bleed through. Yes, I am in this weekly spread putting it on a little bit thinner just because I wasn't sure how the paper would take it, but it is amazing. So if you have ever wanted to try doing any watercolor, this is definitely a planner that would work for that. So I'm just kind of going in random places here. I'm doing some doodle flowers, and then I'm just doing some color washing of some of my favorite colors. And then I'm using this washi tape here, and this is like a watercolor floral, and it is perfect. And I'm just covering up the design that is in the planner normally. And the washi tapes work really well. So the washi tape come in two sizes, and in the planner, on the header part of the page, there's kind of a thicker part of design. If you put the two washi tapes together, it fits perfectly to cover that up so that you can go with a different design. If you're anything like me, I get bored with my planner if I don't change it up a lot. So using this is definitely a way to kind of alter things and make them your own. So we are partnering with Xyron this month, and so I am cutting out a few things that are from the Color Wash collection that I want to include as stickers in my layout. And I'm going to feed this one through. This is the smaller, like X kind of sticker maker. I want to say it's either like 1.5 inch or 2 inches or something like that, sticker maker. And I couldn't find my larger one for that other little piece there, so I just had to glue that down. And then I'm pulling out some of these faux enamel stickers, and these are the butterflies. They're gold foil and they're beautiful, and they just fit with this spring layout really well. This week is actually the first week in April, and little did I know we were going to have a major snowstorm during this week, so yeah. At least my planner made me think of spring when I looked at it. And I think I'm going to add just a couple of these to do or check box stickers, and this is from one of the Life Organized, the Kawaii sticker books. And then here we're on the next week. So this week is actually my birthday week. So it's the week of April 9th through the 15th, I believe. And so I am using this washi tape here, and this has some cupcakes on it. Now this washi tape is white, so it is a little bit more transparent. So to get around that, since the design in the planner is a little bit darker, what I did is I double layered the washi tape. So I put down one layer of washi tape, and then right over the top of it I matched up the design, and I put down another layer, and that makes it so you can't see anything through the washi tape. It didn't take really any extra time to do that, so I was perfectly okay with it. And then you weren't able to see the Stargazer design behind it. Now the Stargazer does actually have a whole line of products with it, but like I said, I've been using this planner now for a few months and I needed to change it up and kind of come up with a new design. So I decided that washi tape was a great way to do that. I have put down some other washi tape in between the days, and you see me pulling it up right now. It just wasn't exactly what I wanted it to be. And I'm going to pull out my watercolors again. And now what I'm going to do is I want to do kind of a birthday theme. So I'm using some painter's tape and I'm blocking off the blocks in the days, and I am just going to draw some balloons with my watercolor. Balloons are a super simple design to do because it's just basically, you know, an oval with a little tab on the end, right? So I felt like this would be the easiest way to kind of celebrate my birthday. So I started out doing, I don't know why, I started out doing Tuesday. I just randomly picked a box to start with, and then I decided, oh, I'm going to do kind of like a rainbow, a rainbow color in here. So I'm going back to Monday and I am going to start with some yellows and oranges and create balloons, and then we go to Tuesday where I have like pinks and purples and there's a couple of blues in there. And it's just a matter of moving the tape and blocking off. Like you just line the tape up with the edge of the box that's in the planner itself, and just make sure you seal down the edges along where you're going to be putting the paint so that it doesn't seep underneath. Excuse me. I also find that it's easier if you kind of make sure that it's dry in between, your tape is dry. So just dry it off a little bit with a piece of paper towel in between when you switch the boxes, just so that it doesn't end up seeping underneath. Now I was trying out this color wash with the drip effect and I don't end up liking the drip effect, so I'm going to go add extra paint and water here, and I, again, super impressed with the way that this water or this paper took this water. It did not seep through at all. It barely warped the pages. It's fabulous, and I'm excited to keep watercoloring in my planner. I'm using the Kwai stickers and just adding a few things here, and then that's pretty much going to be the end. So thanks so much for watching. If you want details on what products I used, head on over to the blog and check that out, and I will see you again next time. Bye!